Confidence is how you feel about yourself. Uh, Boldness is what you do in action. So it's one is passive and one is a feeling and one is a course of action. And we'll get into this certainly, but most people think, well, in order to be bold, I have to be confident, and it's actually the other way around. Bold action is where you build your confidence. There's bold people they don't feel confident many times, but they act anyway. They say, oh, why not? Let's see what happens. And they try something and something unexpected good happens, and they learn something, or they fail and they say, wow, I need to get better at this, but it was kind of interesting to try anyway. They don't, and this is another theme we'll hit, is bold people would rather try and fail than not try.